To mount a bracket on a GeForce RTX 4080 Super, first you will need to grab a shorter part and insert it in the front of your graphics card. Then right after that, when you position it well, you will need to grab a screws and also a screw pad and align it with only one of the slots. Now you can begin screwing it in. As I mentioned, in instructions it says that you need to mount only one screw, but as you can see, the bracket is moving, so I'm gonna actually break the rules for instruction and insert another screw so it holds well. So as you can see, now it doesn't move at all, and after that we can move to our PC case and insert another bracket which will hold our card. So moving on to the motherboard and our case, we'll need to screw in the supports. One is already inserted, as you can see, and now we're going to demonstrate how to do it on the other one. You will need to find a place where you can actually fit those supports and then try to screw them in. And in this case we're doing it kind of further than our motherboard, but in some cases you will need to actually screw it on the motherboard itself. We also recommend to first screw it in with your hand, and after that you can go with the screwdriver. So now grab a plate from the bracket, and you will also need to firmly secure it with the screws. And before actually adding those screws, you also need to grab a screw pads. So let me bring them. Here they are. So that's how it looks like when you properly inserted that bracket in your case. So finally we have our bracket inserted, and the last part is to actually insert a graphics card into it. So when you have your graphics card connected to PCIe slot, last step is to screw two brackets together, and you can see the screw right here. All you have to do is ironically screw it. And that is the last step. That's how you can install a full bracket for a Gigabyte RTX 4080 Super.